screw. Then you set the bridge for the width of the screw. And then you go to the counter and you just hold the setup for 3 seconds. It feeds 25 parts through the scanner. And it sets up, that's the last size of the last one that went through. It sets up the minimum size and the maximum size for that part. And now you set your count. You're going to set up, part count, 3, 4, 2. You're going to set for 2. Put the run. 2. 2. Run about 45, 47 batches a minute. See it singulating out the parts that are falling through coming across the bridge. This is a refurbished head assembly. All brand new components. Power supply. One 1,000, two 1,000, two 1. Just waiting for the speed to update. Every 10 minutes, this updates to the latest rate. You're running probably 50, it's just update, 50 batches a minute for the 2 count of the screw.